Check out this GMC 2012 Sierra 1500 SLE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, front disc rear drum brakes, tires, front all-season, tires, rear all-season, tow hooks, automatic headlights and heated mirrors. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.